Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we want to work on Calesita, Carousel.
Yes, but before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and like at the end if you're enjoying this video.
Let's go to the video. Okay, everybody, let's do the Carousel Calesita.
So, we're going to show you first. We are doing this. Take an ocho, wa, pa, 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 pam, and cross and ready to walk out. So you know what a carousel and Calesita is.
So I'm doing this embellishment. You can do anyone, but let's work a little bit on the technique, how to lead that.
Yes. So basically, leaders, we are going to, the way that I'm initiating, because it's easy, I'm going to use my right shoulder blade leading her into a voleo, entre backward ocho, sorry. 1. Embrace, lift her in line without any rotation, just walk backwards. I'm not trying to rotate her, so I'm not doing this in, yep. So try to keep her in an L position while we walk. Later we'll show you the position of the embrace, how we are using them.
So I feel the rotation only when he finishes the carousel, getting ready for the next step.
To exit.
All the time, followers, because he's not modifying the shape of the embrace, don't try to face the leader with your hips. So let me show you that. So we are doing a side step back. He positioned my body sideways compared with his body. So I will not fight with the lead to try to get facing the leader. No, just be sensitive on this. When he starts walking around, I keep very much the hip facing outside. So in this case, I'm doing this embellishment. You can keep the leg in position, or you can do an embellishment. The main thing is to keep your arm in front of you. Very much. Don't face the leader with your chest. You can face the leader with your head to communicate. You can do this. But don't try to face the leader with your upper body, torso, or hips. The more you can turn the hips outside, in this case to your right, the more you twist the hips, the better position you have and more balance. Very, very important also to keep kind of close embrace with your left side. Let's rotate just a little bit and stop here. I'm not trying to be holding the leader from the arm because that will push the leader and push me away from him. So I will embrace, use the back to hold the position, expand it, and keep the head in axis without moving your head all the way around until he finishes. He will rotate. When he finishes, we re-embrace and ready to walk to the next figure.
So, important thing that Miriam was mentioning, my hand should be very much in front of her and the position of the arm connecting with her upper arm. One last time we do this, so you can follow us. We're going to take a back step. 1, walking around, connecting with the upper arm. So basically I should be able to do this, look, and she still have a good connection. So I will recommend not getting too close to her because she starts feeling this. Can you see that I'm getting close to her? To me, it's totally fine, but she feels like I'm pushing her off. So for that reason, I will create a little bit of opening, pulling back with the shoulder blade, and that will save her axis. Now, the last one will be my right step, lifting her to uncross, and from here you can walk in cross system, you can change and walk out in parallel system, for example here, and finish the step.